Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I hope you all are safe. And welcome back to a fresh, amazing and bang on episode of Vehiculopedia. So friends, as you know that Hero MotoCorp is one of the biggest motorcycle companies in India and one of the biggest motorcycle companies all over the world. And talking about their range, then they have so many models which is available in India and which is very popular in India also. So friends, now talking about one of the models of Hero MotoCorp, then a popular model is Hero Passion Pro, and recently they have launched the new Hero Passion Pro BS6 edition. So friends, in this video I'll tell you everything about the Passion Pro, about its features, about its engine and what extra you will get from its previous BS4 model. So friends, don't skip this video, watch this till the end, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button. So without wasting any time, let's get started to our video. So friends, as you have seen in last 3 to 4 months, with the upgradation from the BS4 to BS6 engine, the price of any vehicle increases if you compare it from its previous version. So friends, here also you will see the price hike of this bike. But friends, along with the new engine, they have also given some extra features. If you compare it from its previous Hero Passion Pro BS4 bike, then talking about some basic features which you look first when you buy a vehicle is the color and the graphics. So this time, as you can see, they have provided some graphical work on its body, and friends, especially they have introduced some new colors in this bike, out of which this yellow color looks more attractive. And friends, along with that, they have provided the grey graphics or the silver graphics, which blends with the main color which is provided in the bike, and it makes this bike look much better and more appealing, and also it looks more trending in this segment. So friends, now let's get started with discussing the feature which is available in this bike. Then talking about the body type of this bike, then as you can see, it is a commuter type of body, and in simple words, the commuter type of body is nothing but the standard type of bike which is widely available in India right now in different price segments, friends. And now talking about the colors and body graphics, then as you can see, as I said earlier, they have provided some body graphics along with the base color which is black, on which they have given some silver body color which blends with the main color which is available in this bike. Now talking about the colors, then this bike is available in 5 colors as of now, out of which 4 is standard, which is sports red, moon yellow color, heavy grey metallic color, glazed black color, and one more color is there which is techno blue. Now friends, talking more about the features, then you get a analog and digital combined console in this bike. Friends, it doesn't have a ABS in it. It has a single seat just like the previous model. You also get a support of pass switch in this bike. It has a digital type of trip meter. Also it has air cooled cooling system which is very standard, and you get a digital type of odometer. And friends, you also get some basic features which includes the kick and self start system in it. You get a analog type of speedometer. Now friends, let's discuss the important factor which is the engine specifications. Then talking about the engine type, then it has a 4-stroke single cylinder overhead camshaft engine which is also known as OHC, and as I said, it is a combined with a air cooled system which is very standard in this type of segment of bikes. And friends, now moving on, then you get an engine displacement of 113 cc, which you compare it from the previous BS4 edition, then it has an increment of almost 16 cc, friends. And now talking about the power of this bike, then this engine produces the power of 9.14 PS at 7500 rpm, and friends, it has a peak torque of 9.79 newton meters at 5000 rpm with maximum power and maximum torque respectively. So friends, just a reminder, if you have not seen my previous videos, then I'll give those videos in the I section. Must watch those videos also, and do tell me in the comment section, did you like those videos or not. And friends, now moving on to the transmission, then it has a manual transmission in it with 4 number of gears of different speeds. So now talking about the brakes, then it has a front disc brake system in it, and at rear you get that standard drum brake system, and it has a integrated braking system in it which is standard in this type of segment of bikes. Now friends, discussing about the fuel economy of this bike, then the mileage that this engine gives you is almost 60 kilometers per liter, which is quite less than the previous BS4 edition model, if you compare it, because that engine used to give the mileage of almost 84 kilometers per liter, but as you are getting the higher displacement engine and higher power engine, so that's why the mileage has decreased a little bit. Now friends, moving on to the suspension, then at front you get a telescopic hydraulic shock absorber system, and as a standard. Now friends, talking about the rear suspension, then there you get a swing arm with 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock absorber system. So friends, that's all for the specifications. And friends, talking about the fuel tank capacity, then it has a capacity of 11 liters. Now friends, talking about the most important factor, which is the price, then the top variant of the Hero Passion Pro lineup is priced at 67,940 rupees, which is ex showroom Delhi. And friends, talking about the on-road price, then after including everything, then the on-road price of this bike is almost 80,000 to 82,000 rupees friends, which is on-road price of Delhi. And friends, now talking about the drum brake variant of this bike, then it has an ex showroom price of 65,740 rupees, and on-road price will be around 78 to 80,000 rupees friends, which is on-road price of Delhi. So friends, if you have to take my opinion, then all in all this Hero Passion Pro BS6 is looking quite good. So friends, that's all for today's video. Did you like this video or not, and did you like this bike or not? Please do tell me in the comment section. And if you have any queries, then don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that. So friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then please friends, press the subscribe button and the bell icon near to it, so that you won't miss any of the notifications of my upcoming videos. Friends, do share this video with your friends also, so that they will also get to know about this bike. Do follow me in all the social media platforms. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun, keep watching, and I'll see you in my next video.